XLM, we start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. First of all, if we refer to our analysis, since the price was within this move, we mentioned we're looking for reversal, and this is what we get. And right now we get this correction. Okay, whoever get a trade within this move, they have to book some profit, and we want to see whether this correction can give us a continuation or not, because technically we can look for continuation. Anyway, we start with higher time frame. We see what we have based on daily chart. The only thing is, as I mentioned, we can expect the price to consolidate for longer time within this range before we get the reversal. That's why whoever get the trade based on lower time frame, they have to start to manage. And if we move to forward chart, what we see a sharp move correction. Technically, when we see this kind of the move, we can look for continuation. But how about if this one turn to flat? This is what for most of the charts we have. Why? Because this sharp move, this drop, the first wave is really sharp. Okay. Anyway, we are more interested to get the continuation. That's why if we get any trade set up for buy, we take the trade. But we need to have we have to wait to get the trade. And if I move to 1 hour chart, as I mentioned, right now we have this correction. How about if I move to 15 minutes? All right. The way it's correcting, it doesn't give us any trade setup unless we put our entry above this. Two ways we can look for this one as a trade for buy. Either we wait for the breakout of the lowest price of this correction, then from there we look for the reversal, or we put our entry above this. But having entry above this is really risky. That's why I don't want to add in. I mean, I don't want to add in or to over analyze this as a signal. We are not giving the signal. We want to see how we can look for trade. All right. That's why if anyone wants to put over the entry above this, in case the price, sorry, above here, in case the price sharply reverse from continue from here, they need to be really careful. Why? Because as a bigger picture, made this one turn to a flat. The reasons I'm keep highlighting about this, if anyone wants to buy within this one, they need to be really careful. Okay, because if the price drop, the price can retest the previous low. And right now, technically, since we get this sharp move and the correction, if we get any trade set up for buy, this is what we're looking for. The only thing is how we can look at the trade, how we can get the trade from this correction. It depends on the trader's strategy. Because for me, I mentioned if I want to look for trade, I prefer I get one more drop with the breakout of the lowest price. Then from there, if I get the reversal, any trade setup, I will take the trade. And the another way, in case the price sharply continue from here, we can have entry above this. But this one is really risky. Simply the price can tag and reverse. That's why I mentioned we are not going to add in our analysis. Then let this one drop, correct some more. And if this one turn to a deeper correction, we can look for trade. Okay. Anyway, we have the correction, but the way it's correcting, it doesn't give us a really good trade setup to look for buy. All right, the best thing is we wait, and even if the price continue from here, is okay, doesn't matter, at least we have the trade from here. All right, and in this case we just follow the chart. We have a correction. Technically we can look for buy, but it depends on the traders, the way, the strategy they use to look for trade. Okay, and again I need to highlight about this one may tend to flat. It doesn't mean the price may drop from here. Maybe we get one move up, then the price drop. That's why any trade from here for buy we consider as a short-term buy. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.